Welcome back to the Sam and Jaron channel. Today we are getting an 8-inch exhaust tip for Sam's F350.
We're at Uncle Wiener's Wholesale here in Calgary. They have them here and we're gonna pick one up and chuck her on there and show you how to be cool. Here it is. We found it. 4-inch inlet, 8-inch outlet. This thing's gonna add at least 30 horsepower to my truck. Let's go.
Okay, we're back at the shop. Sam's got the tip.
You already know. All right, so here we are. We're gonna throw it on here. It's not even gonna fit underneath there.
Okay. Nice. Exhaust, quarter done.
Should we just buzz that one?
You know what we could do is just buzz the bracket.
I'd just rather not buzz the bracket. Put on here. Jaron is gonna tell me what angle he thinks is best.
Fine, but
we're done. We're ready to shred. There we go. Disruptor. All right, well, we're gonna take it outside now and go cruising the streets of Didsbury.
all right, it's on, baby. Sound check. Time to go get our Timmies and do a road sound check.
It sounds beefy. It's not too loud.
It's not too 17-year-old. That guy's having a hard time ordering.
I wish you guys could feel it. It feels so thug. Way rather drive this than a Lamborghini. Well, maybe. All right, so we're back at the shop here. It's been a good day. It's been a really good day. We got the 8-inch dump on here, so it sounds really good. You saw us doing those little donuts there. This thing is just BRICKEN.
What's BRICKEN, Sam?
BRICKEN actually means solid, foundational, and reliable. And I don't know if this thing's really reliable or not, but it sure is solid and it sure is fun. All right, so that leads into the newest thing, what's going on with Jaron and me. We're starting a new brand or whatever called BRICKEN, B-R-I-C-K-E-N, BRICKEN
Enterprises.
So we're gonna be having a website with some clothes.
We're gonna have hoodies because you guys are BRICKEN, the guys who are watching this. We know you guys work hard and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna have some hoodies, some overalls at one point.
Some just typical merch stuff, but it'll be cool.
It's gonna be hard because that's what BRICKEN means.
So that's all for today.
Here's one more drift clip.